Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about, is a 401k really a good retirement? Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. While most 401k plans provide advantages that encourage long-term saving, there may be some disadvantages. Understanding the various drawbacks of 401ks as well as how to resolve or work around them will assist you in making smarter financial decisions. A minimum or non-existent business match is one of the most typical downsides of 401ks. Also, the account has a lot of cost attached to it. Your finances have few investing options. On the other hand, you will have to wait till you are able to maintain company contributions. Also, difficulty in obtaining funds in a timely manner. And withdrawals have tax repercussions. Some of the issues with 401ks, as well as what you may do to mitigate each disadvantage. Some employers will match your contributions to the plan up to a specific level. For example, your employer may offer to match 50 cents for every dollar you put into the plan up to 5% of your salary. If you earn 50,000 per year and put 2,500 into the account, your company will put 1,250 into the account. Not all businesses match 401ks contribution, and even if they do, the match may be insufficient. If your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to $500, this means that if you give 2,500 to the account, the employer will contribute $500. You can check with your employer if you are not sure if your firm offers a match. If there is a match, it is usually worth it to contribute enough to get the best match possible. That's free money for you. If there isn't a match, you can still save throughout the year by having money deducted from each paycheck automatically. In 2021, you can contribute up to 19,500 of your own salary to a 401k. And if you are 50 or older, you can contribute an additional 6,500. The amount you contribute is deducted from your wage and is not taxable income until it is withdrawn from the account. Every year you contribute to the account, you may be eligible for a tax credit. Management and recording fees are common expenses associated with 401k plans. Plans are required to disclose fee disclosures on an annual basis. Even still, locating this conservation can be tricky. The majority of participants are unaware of the costs they are paying. You can ask your HR department or plan sponsor for assistance in understanding the costs associated with your 401k. You could also look at the fees in relation to the match. If your employer provides a high paying position, take advantage of it. When you deposit money into a 401k account, you can choose from a variety of investment options. You may, however, discover that the variety is limited. Typically, plan sponsors compile a list of 20 to 25 mutual funds, half of which are target date funds. A target date fund is a group of investments that are planned to become more conservative over time until a specific future date. Target date funds are frequently named after the year in which a person plans to retire. Take the time to analyze all of the investing alternatives in your 401k plan. You might be able to discover something that fits your budget. You might also want to consider putting some money into a different account, such as a Roth IRA, to give you more investment options. If your company contributes to your 401k, the funds may not belong to you right away. Vesting schedules are common in companies, and they refer to the amount of time you must stay at a position before you own the company contributions. You will not receive the money that belongs to your employer if you leave your position before the funds are vested. Even if you switch companies after your money have fully vested, they will remain in your account. When you put money into a 401k account, the plan is designed to keep the money there for a long period. Early withdrawal penalties of 10% plus federal and state income taxes apply to most 401k plan distributions made before age 59 and a half in most cases. If you have a financial emergency, certain plans allow you to take out a 401k loan or make hardship withdrawals. If you borrow money from the account, you will normally have to pay it back within 5 years plus interest. When you make a 401k contribution, the amount is withdrawn from your pay and you are not taxed on it during the year you make the contribution. When you withdraw money from the account, you will have to pay income tax on your contributions and investment earnings. Without knowing how your 401k will perform or what the future taxes will be, your 401k can be a ticking tax time bomb. Monitor your account and forecasting your incoming income can help you avoid paying too much in taxes. Consider your necessary minimum distributions, which you will have to begin taking at the age of 72. Anticipate what your RMD will be at the age of 72. This will help you to estimate what tax consequences you will face. The procedure may also help you decide whether to put additional money into other vehicles, such as a Roth IRA, which pay taxes on contributions in the year they are made, but not on withdrawals later. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.